2022 was a mad year. I hit pause on the Redesign podcast. It's a passion project of mine that I started back in November of 2018 with the vision of bringing the subject of technology, digital culture, all of that stuff to my community, and probably one of the most enjoyable pieces of content that I've created to date. And I wanted to take it as far as I possibly can. But as you know, life happens, doesn't always go in the direction you want it to go in. And I think on reflection that I wasn't the person that I needed to be to take on this mission of educating my community on the technological shifts that you're now witnessing. See, I've been telling you about all this tech stuff from way back. It wasn't really a popular topic, but you can see now in real time how AI, robotics, and other disruptive technologies are now part of your reality. It's part of your everyday life now. It's affecting your money, your career, your relationships. It's affecting entertainment and many other things on a cultural level. The pandemic pretty much destroyed my business. I had to go and find full-time work. I had little to no work. And when I did start full-time work, I had little to no energy to focus on the podcast. I had nothing to give. In September 2022, I turned 40. Probably don't look 40, but started a new job as a designer for a global climate change consultancy. And I moved house all in the same week. So new house, new job. You could probably imagine all the excitement, but also the stress that this caused. And boy, did I pay for it. My mental health, physical health took a turn for the worse. So I've had a few health challenges, so that's why I've been away. I had to make a decision to never neglect my health for, the sake of creating content, for the sake of work or chasing money, any of that stuff. So I've been just trying to get my mind right, focus on improving my health. So now I'm looking to just dive right back in with a renewed focus, new mission, with a brand new chapter as the content producer. So I'm going to be sharing ideas on mindset, past, present, future of technology, emerging technology, and the full spectrum of creativity from art and design to music, cinema, and storytelling. So Redesigned as a podcast is going to return as a seasonal format. So it's not going to be ongoing. So that's going to be happening while I help individuals and brands improve their image and create more opportunities to monetize their ideas and their intellectual property. Using new technology, of course, AI being one of them. If you want to pick my brain on the 15-minute call, my DMs are open. But just to let you know, season 3 of Redesigned drops on Tuesday, 5th of September. So you're probably thinking, what's this guy on about? Why is he waiting so long? Like, what is all this? Production value. I pride myself on delivering top-notch production value. Well, at least that's the aim anyway. And besides that, I just want to enjoy my summer. Small enjoyment, you get me? Just want to enjoy my summer, to be fair. So yeah, that's it. Like, stay tuned. September 5th, season 3 is going to be back. And then in between that, going to be working on this new chapter, the content producer. So look out for new content. Stay blessed.